Outstanding design defines the 2011 Toyota Tacoma. This four-door, five-passenger truck just recently passed the 50,000-mile mark. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 4-liter six-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Toyota prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, skid plates, and air conditioning. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.